Good morning vlog, happy Halloween. It's Friday night of Halloween weekend. This is mine and Gaia's aerobics, 80s aerobics outfits that we're gonna do. I had to order everything last minute from Amazon, so it's not like my favorite picks, but I did what I could. So she has this little swimsuit. These are like 2 different green options for her headband. Tights, leg warmers, and then mine. So I'm gonna try it on right now. I'm gonna try mine on. Okay, here's mine. I don't love how this fits, so I'm gonna see if I have like any bathing suits that would work, but if not, like it's fine. I think it's so cute. Also, we put this other gate up because Leo literally has been trying to mark his territory in here, and so we're like, you're done, you're cut off. So we just did that right now. So cute. That's for you. Gaia girl. Gaia girl. Are you excited for Halloween? Yeah. Yeah. We're practicing. Oh my gosh, it will look so cute. Yay. Hi. Can you shake your toy? Yeah. Okay guys, I'm getting ready for my Halloween costume, which is the matching aerobics with her. We already put her in it because I just was like, let's get these photos while we can. And so I have my hair in these curlers. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna attempt to get like big 80s hair and wear it down with the sweatband, but if it doesn't end up working out very well, I'm just gonna put a little side ponytail. And easy peasy. And then hopefully we can be able to take cute photos together in our outfits. She just literally stayed on my chest while I did all these rollers. Like, I'm so impressed with her. I ordered some food. I'm gonna maybe just chill and like eat until I move on to makeup because these need to set. We'll see. We'll see. Lunch is here. This is Takaya's street corn bowl, side of vegan crema. So good. Oh no, you're tipping your bottle upside down. There you go. Okay, so my makeup is atrocious. I'm definitely going back and taking it all off and redoing it, but Gaia has to go to bed and I need to get our cute little photo. So I just did like something so messy and I can like edit it after.
Hi vlog. I'm with Christine. Fast forward, we made it. Halloween bash. Woo! Party crazy.
Get up, thug nigga drunk, energetic, giving it up. Low life, young life, show. Flip my home with 40 going, keep her in the back door. No, we don't care who sings and prays. My name is Big Snoop Dogg. Y'all know what it is. West Coast to the fullest. Y'all have fun tonight. Smoke weed, get drunk.
Gaia is in her princess fairy costume. Do you want to see yourself? Yeah! Her princess fairy costume, and I'm dead. Look at this dress. This is like the best one. And we got these sparkly tights. Look! Look! Yay! Bippity boppity boo.
Bippity boppity boo.
So we all work around this table and Gaia just loves the laptop. So this is one that's like old, doesn't work anymore. And now it's hers. There you go. It's for you. You can work with us. You can girl boss with us.
You have to send your emails.
So I'm popping in to talk about the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp. I'm hanging out with Gaia while I film this, so if you hear in the back, that's why. So I'm very big on therapy and mental health right now, especially postpartum, big life changes. Yeah, girly. And just ever since starting therapy, I felt like I should have just always been in it anyway. So let me tell you about BetterHelp. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who's trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. Starting therapy could be hard. There might not be the right therapist for you in your area, and some people also don't like the face-to-face aspect of therapy. I know that's true for me too. I only do it online. So with BetterHelp, you can have your therapy sessions as phone calls, video calls, and even via messaging if you prefer that. Whatever is the most comfortable version of therapy for you. BetterHelp can match you with one of 30,000 therapists in their network, which gives you a wider range of expertise than what might be available in your area. To get started, you'll fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs, and then you'll get matched in most cases within 48 hours. Or less. You'll be able to schedule therapy sessions at a time that's convenient for you. And if the first therapist you're matched with doesn't feel like a good fit for you, which happens a lot in therapy, it's happened with me, you can easily switch to a new therapist at no additional cost without stressing about insurance, who's in your network. Okay, you can come in. People spend hours in the gym every week, so why not give your mental health the same kind of attention? Over 4 million people have started using BetterHelp to live a healthier, happier life. If you think you might benefit from therapy, consider BetterHelp. Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/Steele. Clicking that link helps support this channel and also gives you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp. You can connect with a therapist and see if it helps you. Thank you again for BetterHelp sponsoring this video. Therapy is life-changing. I recommend it to literally everyone. So check out BetterHelp down below. Back to the video. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:45 and I'm way more exhausted than I should be at this hour because the time change happened, so we set our clocks back and guys, or forward, I don't know. And guys woke up at 5 a.m. yesterday, but I went to bed at 10 yesterday. I mean, the day before. But last night I went to bed at 11 and she woke up at 4:55. She'll go back down. So I'm thinking that we go run a little errand. We're gonna go to Erewhon, maybe get a little bite. I don't know, do something cute and entertain her. I also have such a busy day today. It's gonna be very, very fun. So gonna bring you guys along. She's fussy, like she wants to go to bed. I'm just getting ready. Sweatsuit that they just sent me. My skin is also, I don't even know what happened. I just changed all my sheets and stuff, but it got like so dry and irritated. With the camera, nothing makes you happier, huh? This is the bump suit carrier. I really like it. I liked this one when she was a little bit smaller, more than the Artie Pop one, but now I like the Artie Pop one better. It just like, I don't know, it feels more like comfy and loose, and this one's like cozy and supportive, I guess. I don't know. The other one is just kind of like, you just can fall into it and it's so spacious. This one's definitely like the best if like you have a newborn because it's gonna be like so cozy. More like winter areas. Our Pop one is like when she can like hold herself up more. She doesn't need so much support. Ooh, I got the little air stick thing. TikTok made me buy it. I started brushing my teeth with her before she had teeth because, I don't know, my mom was like, you should do it with her. And I was like, okay. Now she has her first tooth. You have her first tooth, so you can actually, for real, brush your teeth. She got her first tooth on the top. Here you go. You're toothy? Oh my goodness. I don't even know why I'm so tired because like, you know, like 6 hours of sleep is fine as a mom, you know? I've been taking these like sleep packs, supplements from the brand Momentous. Heard on the Skinny Confidential, my fave podcast I always talk about, they like knocked her out. So I was like, I love that for getting to bed because I have to go to bed at specific times, you know? Like, regardless if I'm tired or if I'm doing something, like if she's asleep, like I need to go to bed fairly close to when she's asleep or else I won't sleep. So I took these packs and they work really well. So well that like I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh my gosh. Like I do not want to get up. Oh my gosh. We just got back from our music class. I'm saying we, but guys with the nanny right now. It's literally so bright and I just put some eye drops in for my contacts are like so dry, so this is not quite the vibe. But so basically we went to Erewhon. I spent literally $300 at Erewhon. Like of course every time if you actually like go grocery shopping at Erewhon it's gonna be that. But I got some like really cool things that are like meals, you know, like if I were going to go out to dinner or order food, it's like that. I think it's still cheaper than like ordering all of my meals, whatever. I don't do it often. I'll show you what I got later. I just was so tired when I got back and our nanny was here, so I handed her off. I went straight to bed, then I woke up to go to the music class with her. I'll show you the videos that I have on my phone. This music class was the best thing ever. I'm so excited to like keep going. She had so much fun. Loved it so much. And then the bubbles, are you kidding me? Okay, so we literally had the best time ever. I love that class. I'm gonna go back. I bought 2 class sampler pack things, so I'm gonna go to their sensory class too, which is where like touching different textures and things like that. I'm so excited. I loved it so much, but I think it's also a good balance because like I took her to the more physical kind of class, like a gym kind of class last week, and that one was definitely less exciting, but I think it's a good balance to have like we can do a music class and then we could do the like physical activity class. So big fan. That was like so amazing. I am going to probably take Leo on a walk right now, and then I'm going to Earth Bar to get a like hair test. Basically Christine got it before and she's like, it was amazing. Like they test and see like what you're deficient in, and then they like recommend you some like supplements and stuff. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm going to see what I'm deficient in, which is probably a lot because I just had a baby and I have not been necessarily taking the best care of myself, like vitamin wise. So I'm excited to see what happens there. And then I had 2 calls, but 1 call got canceled. So we'll see. I might just stay over there for a little bit in the area. I have to go into like West Hollywood to get the hair test, and Christine got a new apartment, so I might check it out. I don't know where my contact is, just like, oh, okay. Oh, I think it's kind of old, that's why. I'm gonna fix that and check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm going to a Pretty Little Thing event tonight with my friend Maddie Dean. She invited me. I was like, yeah, of course. I even hired some makeup to glam me, but I don't have an outfit. And like, let me just show you what options we have. This I think would be the best option, but it looks super cheap, so I don't know. I got this long turtleneck tight like dress from Amazon because I wanted to do like this kind of vibe. Also, I did not get this specifically for this. I just bought this recently. And then do like, you know, like these kind of big cups. So that's what I feel like would look the best, but it also is just like a really cheap dress. And there's gonna be like a red carpet and stuff. Like, I didn't think of it like, oh my gosh, I need to plan something out because it's like a real thing. It's not like a Dior event or something. But I do remember that these red carpet photos, like these ones usually like they take so many and they go everywhere and they're usually good photos. So I have this brown RTA dress. It possibly could be too big because I got this when I hadn't lost all the baby weight yet. And it's also not like wow, but maybe we can make it wow with hair and makeup. And then this dress would be like wonderful, but also I got this in a size when I was bigger, so I also don't know if this one's gonna fit. Maybe because it's really like stretchy and like tight material. Not only is this the material it is, but it's still big. Like there's hips here that I don't have. So like if it was tight, I feel like I could get away with it. But next one. Here's the RTA dress. It definitely is like big. This would look way better if it was fitting better, but like it's possible. We could do it. And it's really pretty. Okay, I haven't zipped this one up because it's kind of hard, but it's fitting and it's not even zipped. So we're definitely doing this one. Gorgeous. Yay, I'm so glad that worked. Okay, I have been waiting for my Birkin bag to come. Little girl back there, hi. All day. And then I walk outside and I just see this like just sitting there. Like it was supposed to be signature. So, I mean, maybe it's not the bag, but I feel like it is. That's crazy though. Imagine if I wasn't home. This is so exciting.
What did not be it?
I know. Oh, I'm feeling like it is. Oh my god, it is. It's the bag. That's wild. So wild, but good thing I've been waiting all day for it. Here's the moment. Wow, look at my mom bag, Gaia. You like it? It'll fit all the things that you need. This is crazy. I'm just like still in shock that they just left it outside. But this is crazy. I'm just so happy because basically in the price range that I wanted to spend on this, anything smaller would be like crazy expensive. So for the bigger size, I like how the bigger Birkins look than like the big Kelly that I had before. So this one can be like slouchy. I'm being so gentle with it, but it's obviously so already used that I like how it's used enough that like I'm not gonna feel like too cautious with it. Yeah, like I can just get into it. Ooh. Is this for my vlog? Do you mind bending down to get it?
Hi.
This is Ani. So she's gonna do my makeup for the event tonight. It's very exciting because Ani actually comes to hang out, help with Gaia in her progress and development. So it's so fun.
I know, I'm excited. Yay.
Yeah. We could do whatever.
I'm thinking like a pinup look. Are you opposed to any like red lip or anything like bold?
Yeah, I like that. Here is after finished look. It looks blown out right now, but I know in post you'll be able to see it. I literally feel like a doll. She killed it. So I'm gonna have Ani's Instagram linked down below. So make sure you check her out because she's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. I put a lighter one in the middle, but
Stunning.
just like turn the light on. We're vlogging and
Look at that makeup.
my face is so tired. Wait, are you naturally blonde? No, right?
Naturally, yeah.
You're naturally blonde. Have you been brunette?
I dyed my hair brunette for like 6 months and then I was like, okay, I'm over it.
I feel like you would slay.
I liked it at the time, but I was born a redhead. So
Redhead?
yeah.
Maybe do that. The copper?
The copper? Without my makeup on, I have a bunch of freckles. So maybe.
Copper. She's doing copper next. You heard it here first. I'm quite literally always excusing myself for being a mess, but it is what it is. It's mom life. But I went to an event last night and then I got back and she would not sleep because she was sick. Her nose was so stuffy. So yeah, wasn't a lot of rest or like proper rest happening for me. I'm gonna have like a little snack. I was gonna show you some things that I got from Erewhon. This is crazy. It's frozen. Tuna avocado roll, plant-based. I'm just letting it thaw right now. I also got one that's like a poke bowl. My sister should be coming over soon because I could definitely use the at least moral support for getting through a night that we will not be sleeping. Whoa. This stuff I love. I don't even really get what it is. I mean, it's daikon. Basically at the farmer's market, I went to this guy's stand and sold me on this. I was like, oh, that sounds really good, you know? And then they have it at Erewhon too. I like 100% had a different reason for turning on the camera, but I forgot. Turkey, I didn't even get that one at Erewhon. Oh, this is something I only find at Erewhon. Plant-crafted bacon strips. So this plant-based bacon is insane. Like, smell is so good. Adds so much flavor if you like mix it in with something. It's just like high quality baked bacon. I need to eat something, take these new supplements, and then have some caffeine because we got a long night ahead. I'm just going into the night as if I will not be sleeping, just so it's not like killing me to like wake up every hour. I wanted to open packages. That's what I wanted to do. So this box right here is very exciting, but I cannot open it with you because it is samples of a collab. So I'm really, really excited to open that up and see them and get towards launching that. But I got gifting from Ilia Beauty. I got gifting from Ilia, which is like a brand I've really, really been wanting to try. So that was really so exciting that they sent me a package. Another one, I don't know what it is. We'll have to open it to find out. I'm gonna go look at my samples first and then we'll come back for the other things. Okay, this is the package that I don't know what it is inside. Oh, Rena Roots Serum Ageless Drops Rescue Drop. Oh my gosh, this is such a long note. It's so cute. Okay, skincare. Oh gosh. Dear Amanda, as close friends of Drew Hunter at Elite World Group, we're thrilled to present our purpose-driven products to you. Founded by a UN humanitarian aid worker and a seasoned skincare expert, Rena Roots is on a mission to make skincare that is good for you, good for humanity. We source our hero ingredients directly from countries affected by war and poverty in order to fight hunger through job creation while at the same time formulating high-performing science-backed serums. We hope you love them as much as we do. Rena Root founder. That's awesome. That's really killer. That's really cool. Ilia. I get so much skincare sent to me and like I totally like really love skincare and I appreciate it, but I pretty much strictly use Sonia Dakar products. So whenever I get something new, it's like I don't even know how I'm gonna throw like a brand new product into the routine I have. This is so dangerous, cutting with baby. I selected from Ilia which ones I wanted them to send out of their best sellers. Two of these are, I just hope for the best with the coloring. Wait, this one's an eyeshadow. Liquid Powder Matte Eye Tint. I've been wanting like a color like this that I could just go fast. Multi-stick in Dreamer. Just like a bronzer. Oh, it's like a lip and blush. I chose the color Dreamer. I feel like I was over like the pink colors. I want something a little bit more natural, but like darker and warm, so yeah. True Skin Serum Concealer. How do we do? I think we did pretty good color. This is the Super Serum Skin Tint color. I think I did pretty good. And then this is a bronzer powder. I got it in the color Drawn In. Love that.